Want to know how we took Emma's hair from this outgrown blonde to this gorgeous bright blended blonde? Save this video to show your hairstylist and stay tuned. First things first, those crispy ends have absolutely got to go. They are not welcome over here. And of course, we have to go in and prep with the K18 mist. If you are not taking any precautionary measures during your lightening services, what are you even doing? She wanted a pretty bright impact, but without that harsh maintenance that comes with being blonde. So we opted for a TZ light to allow for that soft blended grow out. If there's one thing that you take away, it's saturation is key. Lather that shit on. Make sure it is fully covered. This way you get the best lift possible. And you'll see in a second that cheese pull is just, oh, are you kidding me? That is stunning. To finish her off, I went in and I did a root tap and I followed that up using 𝘂𝗀𝗲𝗃𝗲 gloss just to give her color a little bit more longevity and brightness to it. And I'm absolutely obsessed with the dimension from her roots to her mids into those beautiful solid ends. I think is the perfect like high impact blonde with low commitment, and I just love it.